Hi everyone, welcome to YCloud. Many businesses already use WhatsApp for lead generation, sales, and customer engagement. However, conversion challenges often happen after a customer clicks. Today, we'll explore how WhatsApp Webview helps businesses shorten conversion paths and reduce drop-offs. WhatsApp Webview allows web pages to open directly inside WhatsApp instead of sending users to an external browser. Traditionally, users move from WhatsApp to a browser and then back again. With Webview, they can complete actions such as browsing, form submission, scheduling, or payment without leaving WhatsApp. The key value of Webview is reducing friction. Every extra step, app switch, login request, or form field can increase drop-off risk. By keeping users inside a familiar conversation environment, businesses can improve completion rates and create a smoother customer experience. For manufacturers, exporters, B2B SaaS companies, and service providers, inquiries and quotations are high-intent moments. With Webview, customers can submit requirements, budgets, and project details directly within WhatsApp, helping sales teams qualify leads faster and respond more effectively. For demo bookings, sales meetings, and application forms, Webview enables customers to select schedules, confirm contact information, and upload files in a more streamlined workflow, reducing interruptions and improving completion rates. Payment-related activities such as balance payments, renewals, and order confirmations are highly sensitive to friction. Webview keeps payment instructions and transaction steps within a more seamless flow, reducing the likelihood of abandonment. In customer support scenarios, users may need to upload screenshots, provide additional information, track tickets, or confirm resolutions. Webview makes these actions easier to complete while reducing repetitive conversations and improving service efficiency. Webview is more than a different way to open links. Businesses should focus on page speed, mobile usability, customer identity management, and integration with CRM, order systems, and automation workflows. Starting with high-impact scenarios such as bookings, order tracking, or support requests is often the most practical approach. Looking at the customer journey as a whole, CTWA brings high-intent users into WhatsApp, Webview reduces friction during key actions, and Magic Links simplify authentication and login processes. Together, they create a shorter path from interest to conversion. YCloud helps businesses connect WhatsApp API, CTWA, Webview, Magic Links, inbox, automation workflows, and system integrations. Customer actions such as bookings, submissions, or payments can automatically sync back to CRM, order management systems, and analytics platforms, creating a complete conversion loop. Conversion challenges rarely begin with a click. They usually happen afterward. By keeping key actions inside WhatsApp, Webview helps businesses reduce drop-offs, improve user experience, and create more efficient conversion journeys. If you'd like to learn more about WhatsApp Webview and related solutions, feel free to contact YCloud. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.